Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind.
So welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig a bunch of different ways, and usually when that happens that means I'm installing a 360-degree wig. If you're new to my channel and you've never heard of this type of wig, it's a wig that you can do so many different styles because it's super versatile. Let's give a warm welcome back to Cynosurehair. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 360-degree upgraded wear and go hidden strap lace wig. I think it's the water wave texture that I have installed. I'm going to link it in the description box for you, so if you want to purchase this exact wig you'll be able to find that here. You can put the hair up in a ponytail and wear it and it looks like it's your natural hair.
Everybody's smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your charm. Tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're too out of line. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out.
This is the wig, 360 lace. This is what she's giving. So before we move forward, of course I'm going to try it on, but I'm holding the two little elastic band straps. When you're putting your wig on, make sure you can see where the straps are. So one strap is right here and the other strap is right here, because if you don't, it might be stuck and hidden inside, and then when you're looking for it later, you're not going to be able to find it. You can wear her glueless technically, but this is what she's gonna look like. I'm gonna go in with some powder. Okay, some powder that's like my skin tone-ish. And just put it over the lace. You wanna make sure that you don't cut into where that band is. I'm gonna go ahead and remove.
Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh,
that's looking good, y'all. Before we continue, let's do some baby hairs. Because I like my baby hairs very much natural. We're gonna go in with the melt spray. It just works so well. Why haven't you bought it yet? The link is in the description. You go to my Big Cartel website and you can check out. You can buy it if you're in America, if you're in Canada. I ship all over. Because look at that.
I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say
the string inside. A little fun trick that I like to do is go in with a dark eyeshadow around the lace here. You want to hide that and make it look like it's hair. Okay, same thing with this side. We're gonna pull it tight. I'm just going over it with that brownish color, so I'm using a mixture of the two, darker and like more of my complexion color. Because at the end of the day, it's still lace and it's gonna look like lace, right? So help it not look like lace. Do those things. I'm just going in with a tiny bit of gel. It's curled nicely right now, so I don't necessarily want to disturb it for this style. This is cute. Very cutesy.
Lately I've been low, losing all control. Henny with the soda. I've been on a roll. I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been.
This is the first style that we came up with. Super cute. You know, I do these styles, like I don't have that many styles in me, so you guys know you're gonna see some styles repeat over time because I've reviewed these types of wigs all the time. But these are the styles that are like tested, tried and true. Super cute. Okay, for this one I'm going to remove the part. The same thing how I always do my ponytails. I take half first. The other half you can see is down. This wig, it looks so good. Like everything about it is beautiful. It's so full, it's long, it's thick, it's curly. Like it's really pretty. The curls is absolutely beautiful. I just love how it's fitting. It fits very comfortable. The back is very secured. It's so far like really impressing me. And let's move on to another style. We take the rest and then we add it to that first ponytail. Okay, so we're adding the two ponytails together now. Can I do one more? I don't know. I don't know. And then just twist it up in there. And to make it look realistic, I like to brush some hairs down. Make sure that this part on the side is tucked in. And there we have it. That's our little bun. Right? And it's glueless here. So she's giving. Does that not look like it's my hair? Like it looks so good. It looks so cute. OMG. And I like that I just cut this little piece here. It just blends in, just looks more natural. It's super cute. What do you guys think? I know you love it. I love it. You love it. We both love it. My makeup was looking like kind of blah today and I was having a kind of blah day, and this wig transformed my mood, my energy, and all of the above. So I'm grateful that I had this wig to put on to feel my most beautiful. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Comment below your thoughts and your favorite look, and if you would try something like this. And if you haven't tried something like this, why haven't you? I would love to know in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really does go a long way. Appreciate you guys being here. If you made it to the end, you are an MVP and you should make your presence known. Anyways guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye now.